So the main concept behind how Mochifitter works is that you have a source avatar, a template that's behind the scenes that everything converts to, and a target avatar, which is the avatar that you're trying to put the clothes onto. The great thing about Mochifitter is you don't actually need the source avatar itself. You just need the clothes. So what happens is the clothes get converted into the template behind the scenes, and then from there it gets converted to the target avatar like so. All of this is done inside of Unity. As long as you have a conversion profile, you don't need to use Blender to make any of these changes. So as you can see, all of the blend shapes, colliders, and fizz bones are preserved and moved over. The outfits are already weight painted. We can also tell that all of the fizz bones are working. And other than minor tweaks and fixes, the avatar is pretty much good to go with the outfit as is without needing to go into Blender in most cases. And I could just upload this as is. All of the toggles would work. All of the existing features from the base avatar would work. And a wide variety of avatar body shapes are supported. So to give an example of Mochifitter in action, here I have the Fruitiger Astro outfit for the Nova Beast. The thing is, I do not have a Nova Beast, but I wanted to wear this outfit anyway. And it's right before Ferality, so I don't really have time to fit this complex outfit with all of its toggles on my avatar. So, what I do have though is a Mochifitter profile for the Nova Beast that will let me convert outfits from the Nova Beast to other avatars. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Mochifitter and I'm going to make sure the mode is outfit retargeting. For the outfit to convert, I'm going to pick the Fruitiger Astro. And for the target avatar, I'm going to choose the Hyaenid. And the source avatar, I'm going to choose the Nova Beast. And I'm going to click on Execute Retargeting to convert the outfit. Now that it's done retargeting, it created this prefab that I can show. It's the one that's now fit to my Hyaenid. So I'm going to drag it onto my Hyaenid. And you can see that it fits. I also want to fit this on the bunny, so let's do the same thing. We have the Fruitiger Astro. We're going to go ahead and pick the bunny. We're going to pick the Nova Beast. And we're going to click Execute Retargeting. And with that, this outfit retargeting is complete. We have this new asset here. Look how tiny and cute it is. And we're going to drag it onto our bunny. There you have it. We have an extra tiny, extra cute version to go along with our main one.